What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you supposed to be doing?
Maybe?
Sleeping? Do you think maybe you should lay down? Okay, why don't you do that, alright?
No.
Yeah.
No!
Why?
Because I don't like laying down.
It's bedtime.
I don't want to.
Really?
No.
It's time to go to bed. You can't watch the boys play all night, okay?